Hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. This time around I have finally gotten down to saving one more plant, and that is my Philodendron Bipennifolium. This was supposed to be a plant that I picked up tonight to discard, and then I saw this new leaf, that brand new leaf on it. It just felt so beautiful, and to touch it actually I was like, maybe this guy deserves a chance. And then I saw I had one more propagation planted of it earlier, very long back, which also is trying, poor thing is trying to put out new leaves. I think it's the same as this guy, a different cutting of it. I have a video on this one. So I thought let me just give it one more chance. And yes, so that's what I will do, a very quick repot. And just so I don't forget, my rooting powder, I put it right here today, right from the start. This is the planter I'll be using, so I've got everything arranged. So very quickly we'll do this, and I'll combine these two plants. There is one more cutting of it, but that I definitely want to throw away because it's just in a really bad shape. So I'm gonna let go of that. So yes, let's start with this one. Let's unpot it and check the condition and try to give it one more try, and eventually we'll know if it did well. Okay, I hope you can see this. This one seems to be easy to pull out, so I'll do it later. This, however, is going to be a little tough a task because it's in sphagnum and perlite. It's been in here for the longest time. So, oh, okay, seems okay. So a really badly made sphagnum and perlite because all the perlite is down here, and this is like a huge mess, but I think it's all separated itself out anyway. I was avoiding doing this since so long because I thought that the sphagnum would be so tough to remove and I was being lazy about it, but it actually doesn't have too many roots left. So should we change our plants and just put it in water? That's what I always do. We'll see in a bit. So this doesn't really have too many roots. I'm gonna remove this leaf. So maybe I can just chop off the bottom, put it in water. We'll see. Let's remove the other one. Perlite never works for me for whatever reason. Just perlite. Oops, okay. So this never rooted itself in the soil either. The roots are all dried up. So I think the best thing would be that I just go and chop off all the roots, at least wash them in water. Clearly it wasn't getting any water or nutrients, nothing, and this is all root rot. Bad root rot. Super dry leaves, super dry roots. I'll just be back. Okay, I'm here now, and what turned out is that I decided to get rid of all the old bits of the stem, and I just kept very few minimal roots that made sense to be kept. So this is the second cutting which I was showing. I'm taking this as a starting point, and this was the main one which I had more hopes from. It actually had really dead kind of roots. They weren't really good. So I chopped it all off. I chopped the bottom of the stem too, and the lights are gonna go off because it's 12 a.m. in just a few seconds. So, okay, so that happened. The task is different now. We are going to water propagate it, and I had kind of sworn off not to use my test tube propagation center, but I think these make for the right size for it. So this will be one, and this will be the second one. This we will leave for now. Going to go and fill up with water now. Okay, so I just went and filled it up with water. Starting point, and actually feeling a little positive about it because I was so sure that it would be much worse than what we saw, but it's manageable. So I think this plant deserved a little try, a little chance one more time. And yes, I think that's going to be a pretty short one that we've had so far, but I kind of have lost my liking for philodendrons these days. I just threw away my Splendid, my Verrucosum is gone, my Elchocored is gone. Whichever philodendron I get, they don't do well no matter what. But there are a few which are okay, but I'm not really their fan because I think they require a different type of a care, which I still don't know. So yes, that's it then. I think I will wrap up here, and I will update on this again soon enough. The most probable outcome is going to be that they grow roots and we put them in soil. So yes, I will see you then. And if you anyway decided to watch this video, it was a short one, but thank you so much. And do hit the subscribe button, do hit the notification bell, do like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.